Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. We have finally finished the Zvezda 1/72nd scale Mi-24 Alpha HIND helicopter. It is finally done. We'll take a little walk around here, get some good close-ups for you so you can check her out. I think most of the difficult parts of this build were the little door hangers, or the door, these little things right in here. They were kind of a pain. The rotor wasn't too bad. Unfortunately, I snapped it off and had to do some repair to it. Snapped off one of the blades, just snapping it off the sprue, one of the little end pieces, and I had to adapt that. And then the main rotor, it just snapped off. Not sure what I could have done to prevent it, but as far as challenges go, it wasn't too bad. I really enjoyed doing the engines and the detail work on the engines. Cockpit was a lot of fun. A lot of detail just for the cockpit alone. Yeah, but other than that, it wasn't a bad model to build. I was pretty impressed with it overall. Not a whole lot with decals. I think I just put on maybe 6 total. I think I have one there on the tail section, and then the Soviet star, and then the number, and then the same on the opposite side. So I was really trying to mirror this off the Red Dawn helicopter the best I could. So yeah, overall this was a fun build. And if you guys missed the build videos, they are up on my channel, so go back and check them out if you didn't get a chance to see them. And I think that'll do it for this episode, guys. Stay tuned for an unboxing video of the AMT construction bulldozer. I'll be having that up here probably tomorrow, which will be Monday, January 18th. I believe we'll have that up, and then there'll be build videos after that on that construction one. So thanks again for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate all the support and all the comments I've been getting on my channel. And until next time, guys, happy modeling, and we'll see you later.